The question says, when a damped harmonic oscillator completes 100 oscillations, its amplitude reduces to 1/3 of its initial value. What will be the change in amplitude after 200 oscillations if the damping factor is doubled? Now we know that A is equal to A naught e raised to minus kt. This is the general formula for the damped oscillation. Here they say for time equal to some t1 for 100 oscillations. We can say the amplitude becomes 1/3. So if I substitute this over here, we get A naught by 3 is equal to A naught e raised to minus kt1. So A naught gets cancelled and we get e raised to kt1 positive becomes equal to 3. Now they say in the question that the 200 oscillations are taking place and the damping factor is also doubled, which means k dash becomes 2k and t dash becomes 2 times t1. So can I say e raised to k dash t dash is going to be e raised to 2k times 2t1. That is nothing but e raised to 4 times kt1, out of which e raised to kt1 is 3. That means it becomes 3 raised to 4, which is 81. So now if I go for A is equal to A naught e raised to minus k dash t dash and substituting these values, I can say this will be the value of 1 upon 81. That means it will be A naught by 81. So the new amplitude will be A naught by 81. But they have asked us what will be the change in amplitude, which means the new A minus the old A, which means A naught by 81 minus A naught, or I should say the other way around, the old minus new, because it is decreasing every moment. So it will be A naught minus A naught by 81, which will be equal to 80 A naught by 81, and that will be your final answer.